Hello students, I am Anamika and in this video we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation. So, our first question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. And in the previous classes we have discussed factorization, that how to find root of a equation by factorization. So, our first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, this is a quadratic equation. Why? Because the x is, the power of x is 2, that is x square. That is order is 2. Since the order is 2, so this is a quadratic equation and is equal to 0. So, what are the, we can see that the coefficient of x square is 1 and our constant is 10. So, it would be 1 into 10, that is 10. So, what are the factors of 10? That is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So, what is the symbol in front of 10? That is minus. So, it would be minus, that is we have to write 3 as the minus of some numbers, that is x square minus, we can see that 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, it would be 5 minus 2, that is minus x minus 10 is equal to 0 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. That is equal to, we will just take common x from this term, that is x minus 5, and we will take common 2 from this and it would be x minus 5, that is equal to 0. It would be x minus 5, we will take common x minus 5. Then what will be left? That is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then it would be x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then it would be x equal to 5, it would be x equal to minus 2. So, x equal to 5 and minus 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So, x equal to 5 and minus 2. So, let us come to the next question, that is the quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, we can see that the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant is 6, that is equal to 2 into 6. So, what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, we have to write it as the negative of some numbers because the sign is minus. So, it would be, and here the coefficient of x is 1. So, we have to make 1, that is we can see that 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and 4 into 3 is 12. So, it would be 4 minus 3, that is 2x square plus 4 minus 3 x minus 6 is equal to 0, that is 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we will take common 2x from here and here, that is 2x plus 2 it would be x, that is 2x into x plus 2, and we will take common minus 3 from here, it would be x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is 2x minus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, and here we can see that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is x plus 2 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus 2. That is the roots are 3 by 2 and minus 2 for this quadratic equation. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.